Did your iPhone 16 also have these small problems? Like freezing up when running other apps, not responding when you tap the screen, or being stuck on the hello screen? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you 3 easy solutions to fix it. Let's dive in. Method 1. Hard reset your iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. Quickly press the volume up and volume down buttons in sequence and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear as shown in the video. If you can get your iPhone 16 back to normal with this method, then congratulations, no data will be lost. However, if it still doesn't work after a reboot or you have forgotten your password, let's check the next 2 methods. Method 2. Factory reset your iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro. Note that this method will empty all your phone's data, so you'd better make a backup in advance. First of all, unlock your iPhone 16, slide to Settings, and click to enter. Then click General, slide down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. So choose Erase all content and settings, then click Continue. You may be prompted to enter your passcode, Apple ID password, etc. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. Method 3. Reset your iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro by using AnyFix. If neither of the above methods works, I guarantee that this one will definitely solve your problem. Here's an efficient tool we're going to use, AnyFix, which is well known for fixing various iOS issues. It can fix iPhone 16 issues in just a few clicks and no need to unlock your device. So even if you forget your password, can also reset your iPhone 16. It works on both Windows and Mac and supports a wide range of Apple devices. Step 1. Download and run AnyFix. Step 2. Connect your phone to your computer via a USB cable. Then in the pop-up window, choose the Reset Device option. Step 3. You can see Hard Reset and One-Click Reset. Let's take Hard Reset as an example. Remember to set your iPhone to recovery mode. Note that after resetting, all data and settings on your device will be erased. Step 4. After you click the Reset Now button, please click the Download button or add firmware for your device. Step 5. After the firmware is downloaded successfully, please click the Reset Now button to start the process. Step 6. Then, your device will be reset successfully, and AnyFix will show you the reset completed interface. Above is all the content of the video. Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2024. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.